I'm going to be sharing some new and old iPhone messaging tips that you probably didn't even know existed. Keep on watching. Before we start, you want to make sure your phone is up to date. You can do this by going into Settings, scroll down to General, and then into Software Update. Okay, so open up the Messages app and clicking on the three dots at the top here will give you an option to edit your name and photo, and here you can create your Memoji. You can also go into Settings, scroll down to Messages, and here you can share your name and photo. And here you'll be able to choose a Memoji or an Animoji, and you'll also be able to select a pose. Once you've chosen your picture, you can scale it, and you can also change the background color. Once you're all done with the setup, you can just choose how to share it. And if you do want to share your name and photo, you just need to make sure that you switch on the green button for name and photo sharing. Click on Edit underneath your profile picture anytime you want to change or delete it. Going back to the Messages app and clicking on the little heart icon here, it will let you create your own animated sketch or message. So it's more personal and it's a great way to express what you're feeling. Clicking on the face icon will bring up all your Memojis and Animojis. So that's a great way to send facial expressions. And now Apple finally has the swipe typing feature, and it works pretty accurately. Just swipe your finger across the letters, stop at each word, and then keep on swiping. You don't need to lift up your finger. Before I go on, I'm going to quickly remind you guys to please give this video a like and hit the subscribe button with your notification bell turned on. And now editing has become so much easier. Just tap in the message and drag the cursor to wherever it is you want to change. Whereas before you would use the space bar and you could only move one letter at a time. Flip your phone sideways into landscape mode and click on the little squiggle icon here, and you'll have an option to handwrite a message. You'll have some templates at the bottom that you can use, or you can handwrite your own message. Any corrections? Click on Undo, and then click on Done. Another cool feature is once you've typed your message, if you click on the blue arrow and hold it down for a second or two, you have an option to send it with an effect. The screen tab will have a full screen effect, and if you just swipe through, you'll have more screen effect options. Under the bubble tab, you'll be able to select an effect for the speech bubble. When you select the invisible ink option, it'll be sent as a blurry message. So when the receiver receives the message, they need to swipe their finger over it to be able to read the full message. And after a few seconds, it'll turn back to blurry again. And to give a quick reply back, just double tap the message and you can choose an expression reply. If you want to see when your messages were sent, just swipe to the left and you'll see the timestamps, let go, and then they'll hide again. Another time-saving feature for the keyboard is if you press and hold certain letters, you have an option to choose special characters. And that works on the number keyboard as well. Numbers 1 to 9 don't have any special characters, but 0 also has a little degree symbol. So if you guys didn't know about this already, then you should definitely try it out because it will save you a lot of time. I honestly didn't know about this until I started playing around with my phone very recently. And if anybody else has any other tips to share with everybody, please do so in the comments below. So another keyboard feature is if you click and hold the smiley face, you have an option to change your keyboard settings. You can shift your keyboard to the right side or the left side if you're planning on using it one-handed, and it makes typing or swiping much faster. Press the space bar twice and you can put a full stop or a period at the end of every sentence without having to switch to the symbols keyboard. How cool is that? And if you want to add any other languages to your keyboard, just head on over to keyboard settings. Do let me know in the comments below if you did or didn't know about any of these features. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video useful. Please don't forget to check out all my other videos too.